At first, environmental products could not be found on Google for any of their products or services. They chose to hire us for website design and search engine optimization. They are now featured on the first page of Google for almost every product they feature. We were able to get them on the first page of the keyword environmental products, which has 159 million results. They are also on the first page for keywords of their major products such as Vector sewer cleaning trucks, Elgin street sweepers, and many more.